Welcome to Crypto Night. My name is Ife, and in this video, I am going to give you an important update on the Bitcoin price. The reason why I am focusing on Bitcoin is because anywhere Bitcoin goes, all other coins tend to follow. So let's jump right in. Now, what is the next step for Bitcoin after this cascading waterfall? As you can see, the price just went straight down, breaking all important supports. And right now, we are below all important moving averages. Now, this is bad. Obviously, this is bad, but there's a chance that it could actually bounce from these levels we are right now. If that happens, then the uptrend is still in play. But if not, then we are in it for a long ride to the downside. So the question remains now, will Bitcoin ever go below $30,000? The answer is, it is possible that this is actually the low. The price went all the way to $30,000 and came back to over $40,000. Now, this is actually a good bounce off that level. Now, this is the weekly time frame. As you can see, we are below the 20 weekly moving average. Now, if the Bitcoin price goes up and closes above this 20 weekly moving average, then the uptrend will be confirmed. That means if the price goes to above $44,000 and closes a weekly candle above $44,000, then everything would be okay and the uptrend will still be intact. Because during an uptrend, Bitcoin has never closed a weekly candle below this red line right here. If you go back in price, you would see that during an uptrend, it never closes a weekly candle below this red line. As you can see, it hasn't done that before. So if this happens, if it closes a weekly candle just like this below the red line, then we are in it for a long downtrend. As you can see, a long downtrend. Personally, I don't think that is going to happen. I think that the uptrend is still intact right now. If we go over to the oscillators, the oscillators on the weekly time frame is oversold. As you can see, it is oversold at this region, so a bounce is likely to happen in the coming weeks. Understand? So in the coming weeks to next month, there is meant to be an actual bounce. For me right now, I see this as an opportunity to accumulate. In times like this, it is best to just buy and hold, and that is exactly what I'm doing right now. One more thing I need to show you before we end this video. We're going to go over to an indicator called the hash ribbon, and I'm going to show you why exactly I think that the uptrend is still intact and there's going to be a bounce very soon. Now, this is the hash ribbon, the indicator down here, and if you notice that every time it flashes this blue buy signal, that means it is a good time to buy. Now, currently we are close to the indicator flashing this buy signal. As you can see, it's already in the deep green. The next color after this green could be a blue. So when it flashes that blue buy signal, that means it's a good time to buy, and the price could further head upwards in the nearest future. So right now I'm keeping a close eye on this indicator. When it flashes this buy signal, then I would be certain that the trend will continue in the upward direction. One more thing, I know that this week to the downside was really devastating for a lot of traders, and in my next video I am going to show you how to avoid the risk of getting liquidated. Right now, this is going to be it for this video. I truly hope you enjoy this kind of content, and if you truly like this kind of short technical analysis on the Bitcoin price, you can give this video a thumbs up and try subscribe to the channel. This is going to be it, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.